Welcome back, you guys. Today's video will be on Creme Nature's new Pure Honey line. I start out by using their Moisturizing Dry Defense Shampoo, which states that it cleanses your hair, helps restore moisture for healthy looking hair, detangles and softens, and provides a healthy shine. This shampoo was very runny, but it did nothing for cleansing my scalp. It helped with detangling my hair. It did do that. It moisturized my hair, but my scalp had so much buildup still on there, so I had to go back in with the apple cider vinegar rinse and then follow up with the conditioner. The Pure Honey line was formulated to target dry, dehydrated hair to provide essential moisture, softness, and smoothness where your hair needs it without weighing it down. This line is made up of pure honey, rich coconut oil, and creamy shea butter. 3 of the 5 products do not contain any sulfates or mineral oil. And then the shampoo and the twisting cream do not contain any silicones as well. Next, I detangled with the Moisturizing Dry Defense Conditioner, which states that it locks in moisture, smooths and softens, and controls frizz and untangles. I've mentioned before I use conditioners only to detangle, and it did help some with detangling, but it didn't have much slip, and my hair also didn't feel moisturized. I deep condition with the Moisture Replenish and Strengthen Hair Mask, which states that it replenishes moisture, strengthens and helps to prevent breakage, super slip detangler, and tames and controls frizz. The hair mask was a lot looser in consistency than the conditioner. The conditioner was super thick, but the hair mask was not as thick as the conditioner. I sat under my bonnet dryer for 30 minutes, and y'all, my hair felt so soft and my strands were so moisturized. Like, as soon as I took my bonnet off, I was like, oh my gosh, the hair mask is the truth. For my leave-in, I use their Not Away leave-in detangler, which states that it instantly detangles, improves manageability, helps repair split ends, and restores moisture. It also smooths the cuticle and removes knots. Now, I didn't use a lot of product, and it clearly states on there if you have thick, coarse curls that you need to use a generous amount. So I could have, been flawed in that era, but it didn't do much for me. To style, I use the Moisture Whip Twisting Cream, which states that it defines and elongates curls, provides crunch-free, soft, and shiny curls, has a long-lasting hold, is non-flaking, non-sticky, and non-greasy. Y'all, this cream is definitely the star pupil of this line. It was so thick and rich. It just melted into my hair. My curls were instantly defined and they felt so hydrated. I really wish I would have had this cream all winter long, because this is definitely a twisting cream for the winter for how thick it is. So these are my results, and oh my gosh, y'all, I love my hair. I got so many compliments on my first day taking down my twist. My hair was moisturized, like my curls were bouncing. that twist and cream, I would definitely buy it again. Thank you all for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you all in my next video.